Velature is a siliconic interior and exterior wall decorative paint with excellent transpirability and high water repellency. The product enables you to obtain decorative color effects reminiscent of those in age-old plasters. Over exterior substrates, Velature should be applied over 2 coats of opportunely diluted Neptunis or Neptunis riempetivo with a roller or flat brush. On interior substrates, Velature should be applied over 2 coats of opportunely diluted Decofond. The product may be applied with a sponge, pad or cloth and should be diluted from 70% to 100% with water. The finish may be carried out using a sponge or pad that has been slightly dipped in paint. Special effects can be obtained by superimposing 2 colors while the first coat is still fresh.